This is the bird in my suite. It is in the bathroom. You see that bag right there? That's my bag. And I want my bag. I put my bag in here because the bird was at first in the suite. But now he's in here with my bag. And I can't get my bag because he is flying all around it. That's my drink. I'm not drinking that. He landed on it and everything. He done sat on the cup and all that. And he keeps flying from that door to the mirror. I think he thinks the mirror is a window, but it's not. And now he's on the floor like a toilet. I keep trying to lure him out. Birdie, come on out the bathroom. Come on out the bathroom. Come on out the bathroom. Come on, little birdie. Come out the bathroom. You came out the bathroom. That's good. That's good. Okay, now get on out the suite. Get on out the suite. I've been trying to lure this bird out that bathroom for the past like 20 minutes. I just got the bright idea to put this shit on video. Okay, he's slowly going out the suite. Go on out the suite, little birdie. Go on. And now he continues his adventure. Let's see where he goes. The little birdie is gone. He left. He's sitting on top of that water fountain out there. And now he's gone. He's free. I freed the bird. I am a hero. I should have my own holiday. It should be called Rebecca's the Hero Day.